today I'm going to show you how to make an organic pesticide with the following ingredients. So, this is washing liquid. So, ito yung brand na meron tayo, Joy. Tapos, vinegar. This is what is available in the store, but you can use any kind of vinegar. Tapos 1 liter of water. So with these 3 ingredients, we can be able to make a pesticide which is used for our gulayan sa So this is how you're going to do it. This is the combination of the solution. So in every 1 bottle of mineral water, which is 1 liter, you just have to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. So, adan tagamay. Kailangan tigta magpakapin sa gamos gani, dumagan siya ng una. Next, we're going to use Joy. Sabi ni Bitoy, isang patak. Ngunit sabi ni Bubong, 4 na patak. Isa, that was 4. Okay. Apat na patak. So what shall we do next? You just have to shake it well. With this solution, you can already have an organic pesticide which can kill aphids and ants. Sabi nga nila, prevention is better than cure. This is best used especially kapag wala pang ants at saka wala pang aphids sa ating mga pananim. So, lagay mo lang to sa sprayer tapos ipang spray mo sa iyong mga So, we're using this para makatipid kami at saka safe yung aming mga gulay. Kasi nga, hindi ito nakakamatay ng tao ng mga chemical. Actually, kahit kambing nga kumakain ng sabong at hindi namamatay. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka rin kumain ng sabong. Thank you.